Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3. Today I'll show you quick gameplay from Witcher Monster Slayer. As you can see right now, I've got this game already opened, and in here we've got our character. These white lines are streets and these green fields are buildings, parks, everything that surrounds us. Except streets, of course. Okay. At this home screen, right now, we've got only weather and compass. Let's tap on this monster.
Nice work with the ghoul, Witcher. Very clean cut. Looks like you're the final exam. Unless you prefer to practice on dummies first.
Let's practice. Okay, right now we've got to perform fast attacks. And critical hits. To perform fast attacks, you have just to swipe fast through the screen. Now you have to perform strong attacks, similar to fast attacks but a little bit slower. Okay, now we're going to parry and use bombs and signs. To parry, tap and hold on screen. To use bombs, just tap on bomb icon, and to use sign, tap on sign icon and make the sign.
Ready for the exam?
Yes, let's go for exam.
You must hour as part of the exam. Remember to prepare.
Okay, so this is our enemy. Let's tap on him. As you can see, he's vulnerable to strong attacks, silver and kinetic damage. Unfortunately, we've got only steel sword right now, but we can use some potions. So, what? We've got potions, bombs, oil. He's vulnerable to strong attacks and kinetic damage. We can fight him right now. It was easy.
When the devourer was struck down with a skillful blow of her sharp blade, the matter was clear. The Witcher had passed the exam. The master nodded in recognition.
Okay, once we finished the tutorial, we can choose our avatar. Let's stay with this neutral. Now we can change our name. Let's stay with it too. Now, as you can see, there are more things on our map. So let me examine it for you. Let's tap right here. We've just entered character and friends menu. In character menu we can change equipment. We can see our level and experience and trinkets. Also we can add friends and manage them. If you tap on the wolf medallion icon, you can see all monsters that are nearby. Okay, let's go to journal. In journal you can see your quests and glossary. In bestiary you can see all monsters you've already seen. Also we've got shop divided to mine, alchemy and equipment, inventory, and skills. If you tap right here, you've got access to your daily quests. Okay, so maybe let's gather these ingredients. And let's fight another monster. Auto-equip, and we can go. Okay, I think that's enough for the beginning. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up, comment and subscribe.